Gopi Rahiye mere saath. Also joining me on the show is Mrityunjay Mahapatra, the DGM of the Met Department. Sir, welcome on India Today. The wind speeds at this point of time between 110 and 120. Sir, are they likely to intensify further? In the morning, the apprehension was they could be between 175 to 185 kilometers per hour and cause massive damage.
Yeah, if you look at the latest observation, the cyclone is crossing coast now. Landfall process is continuing. There has been reported wind speed of about 130 to 140 km per hour over DU, and this wind speed will also increase over DU and adjoining areas. The particular area what we predicted, starting from Junagadh, Gir Somnath, DU, Amreli, Mahavnagar, these districts will have the maximum wind speed of 155 to 165 going to 185 kilometers per hour. And this wind speed will continue for next 4 to 5 hours or early hours of 18th. Thereafter, as completely the system goes inland, the system will weaken and wind speed also will decrease. As you told, the devastations are occurring because of this strong wind speed. And also there is heavy to very intense rainfall activity in the districts of Saurashtra and south coastal Gujarat. Also, I want to say that 3 to 4 meters height of storm surge, the tidal wave, would be inundating the low-lying areas in these coastal districts now.
Okay, so it's likely to remain extremely intense for the next 5 to 6 hours is what you're saying. But has Maharashtra been saved from the worst? And I'll just come to you for a moment on that, sir. Gujarat, you're saying, will remain extremely grim. But has Maharashtra been saved? It won't get any worse in Maharashtra now.
Yeah, the worst is over for Maharashtra, as the cyclone is moving towards Gujarat and is crossing Gujarat coast to the close to east of Diu as per our prediction. In Maharashtra, the heavy rainfall activity can also be expected, especially the northern Konkan districts during night today, and from tomorrow it will be completely improved scenario. The wind speed now also about 70 to 80 kilometers, goes to 90 kilometers along and off the coast of Maharashtra, especially North Maharashtra coast. So therefore, the shipping activity and the fishing activity is also not safe during that period till tomorrow noon. So we have advised complete shipping and fishing operation suspension for last 3 to 4 days. We are telling this, and now also that suspension of shipping activity and fishing activity over East Central Arabian Sea and Northeast Arabian Sea, along and off Gujarat, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu and North Maharashtra coast should be suspended, and there should not be any fishermen venturing into sea.
Oh, absolutely. But at this point of time, Gopi, गुजरात की जो स्थिति है वो अगले 4 से 5 घंटे इसी तरह मतलब 150 से 180 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से